Hey there, tech fans. Colin here again with a new tech review, and this is one I've been waiting for a while to get my hands on. This is the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 Combo Package. This thing is an incredible gimbal package that comes with its own included attachable tripod, an awesome app from the company Zhiyun that gives it a whole bunch of awesome capabilities, including AI tracking, custom video production, and a whole social media network specific to this particular device. An incredible amount of features are built into this thing. A fill light that's detachable and controllable straight from this thing. A telescopic lens or a telescopic, arm so that you can get longer shots, almost turning this thing into a selfie stick. It's unbelievable what they were able to get done here. So let's get right into it. After opening up this box, you're immediately greeted with this incredibly quality hard shell case with a nice linen kind of topper over it. Opening it up, this is going to be obviously the case for your main package right here. You can see opening it up, you have all of your sorts of accessories that have fallen out down here. Of course, you would want to close that zipper up top if you're better than me. But looking inside, you can see that we have a nice spot for the main gimbal. Once it's folded up, I'll show you how to get that in there later. And you've got a spot for the tripod as well. Once it's all folded up, I'll show you what that looks like once we're done as well. So looking up in this top package here, the only thing left that hasn't fallen out yet is the Zhiyun custom bracelet right here. This is going to be classic, very reminiscent of the Wii remote straps. This is going to be perfect for clumsy people like me who want to make sure that they can hold on to their gimbal in any sort of sporty kind of high action scenario. There's going to be a spot on the bottom of this right where you screw in the tripod where you're going to be able to loop this through and put it on your wrist so that you can make sure it's not going anywhere. So aside from that, we've also got your quick start guide, which is going to be in a whole bunch of different languages. This is fantastic. Taught me everything I needed to know about it real quick. Definitely your go-to guide for if you have any questions about what a button does or any sort of thing like that. Not only did they come with the very in-depth guide right here, it also came with a really handy-dandy button description manual and installation guide, I guess you can call it, for how to open the thing up once you first get your hands on it. This came straight out of the box as well, super duper handy. And of course you can see in the bottom there, you've got a link to the ZY Cami app. It's available on the App Store and Google Play. Just wanted to make sure before I talk too quick. I have an Android, so I didn't even check to see if it was good for Apple, but it is. So this is going to be cross-compatible for a lot of different devices, and this is very, very, very nice. And I'm going to go ahead and get into the product now to tell you about everything that's going on here. So you can see that I already have it on. It's already in its stabilized position. This thing is holding its form perfectly. I can go ahead and pick it up and you'll notice that the camera does not alter at all its position. It's currently in its locked focus mode position, which is 1 of 4. I just can't get over. Looking at this thing is so satisfying how smooth it is able to move around and transition. The footage on these things is always so darn cool to look at. But anyway, sorry. On the front side of things, you can see that you've got a joystick option that's going to be able to make this go ahead and move around in any sort of way you direction it. Up, down, sideways, left, right, the works. It's 8 directional, so you can go not only the 4 cardinals, but as well as the extras, the diagonal directions. On the side here, you have a very versatile plus or minus button that actually has a whole lot of options on it. Scrolling up is going to increase your zoom. Scrolling down is going to decrease your zoom. Tapping on it once is going to change the opacity of the fill light up here. And you might be saying to yourself, fill light? That doesn't sound like a gimbal. But that's because Zhiyun actually went through the trouble of creating an attachable magnetic fill light that comes with its own 4 custom attachments for if you want to give it its own custom light. But it's, of course, it's a beautiful bright white light that you can attach right on top there that works in the landscape mode orientation of the gimbal. I just think that that is such a nice feature. And if you want to turn it on, all you have to do is hold down the side oh, I'm sorry. Yep, there you go. Hold down the side and you can see that you've got an incredibly bright fill light right there on top of the gimbal. That's going to be perfect for anybody who's doing close-up face shots or sort of selfie videos like that, or even if you're just doing the interview kind of thing and maybe you're in a dark space, there's going to be all sorts of different lighting options. You can change them all the way up to an incredibly bright, or this is the lowest setting. All you have to do is tap the button on the side to switch between them. And then of course you've got your lenses as well, which are just plastic covers with magnets on the side that are very convenient to just snap right on the front there. And a magnetic attachment that gives you the ability to have the fill light, and it doesn't really translate too well on this camera, but hopefully you can tell that from my hand, it is definitely outputting a pretty darn blue light. So I'd say that this is a quality addition that I did not expect to be included with this package. Very cool addition from Zhiyun. If you want to turn it off, all you have to do is hold down that button on the side again. Of course, there are 4 different modes up top there that are going to control the gimbal. There's a point of view mode that's going to be focused on, that changes the controls to be directed for if the camera's facing you, so that basically just inverts the controls. You have a follow mode, a lock mode, and then you have a focusing mode all the way there on the left that's going to be a mix of the follow mode and lock mode. So if we go ahead and turn it around, you can see that currently the device is moving wherever I'm pointing it. But if we go ahead and hold down this button on the back, you can see that it goes into its lock mode, which it goes, and then the device points in a smooth way, basically wherever I'm moving it, as if I was holding the camera with my hands. So you can hold that down and switch between them, so you can like lock onto a new position by holding it down, move over there, and then let go, and now it's focusing on that side of the room. See what I mean? So very handy trigger on the back. Not only that, if you tap the trigger 3 times, it's going to transition you from landscape into portrait. And vice versa, of course, that goes both ways. So clicking it back 3 times and then it slides over. Of course, I did say it earlier, the lens or the fill light does not work in portrait mode just because the mechanics don't allow it to be seen from that side. It's no big deal, I don't think, because honestly, any good footage you're going to be getting is going to be in landscape mode anyway. If you're shooting in portrait, you're probably doing something wrong. So that's just my opinion. But of course, you have this detachable nice tripod on the bottom here. So I'm going to show you how to put this thing away once you're all done. Right here on the side, right beneath the USB-C charging port that you're going to use to be able to charge this whole thing up. Of course, they include a nice USB-A to USB-C in the package right there. You just hold down the power button and you'll see this whole poor little robot fall asleep. I just think that's hysterical watching it fall, watching it go limp like that. But anyway, you can take your phone out just by pulling apart those 2 sides right there. Put my phone on the side there for now. And go ahead and lock all of the different joints that are used for the gimbal. There's nice and visual instructions built straight onto the product, so you can snap them into place. One there, one there, one there, and then the final piece of the product, the whole arm folds down like that. And you might be wondering, that's pretty compact. And I thought so too. This thing really slides down into a super compact and packable position. But the #1 thing that blew me away, and I didn't even realize this was a feature that was included until I noticed, it kind of looks like there's a little gap in the plastic right there. Is that supposed to be there? So I unfolded my product, and that's when I noticed there is a long telescopic arm built right into this product. So this is going to be a fully functional gimbal with this whole added bonus right there straight into it. That is incredible. It blew my mind when I had this feature shown to me. This is awesome. So if you're trying to get above a crowd or use it as a selfie cam like this, you can get stabilized shots at a distance. This is the kind of thing that you would only see in like premier quality gimbals that like people use on movie sets. But the fact that they're able to get this into a consumer product is awesome. This amount of length added to your stability is incredible. You can get some amazing shots. This is perfect for travel, for people who are looking to get better videos of their kids, better videos of them doing sports or any sort of action at all. This is going to be your go-to bet because you can just put your phone right in there whenever you want, and when you're done, this thing fits perfectly in a suitcase, in a backpack, in a drawer. It's not going to take up any space that it's not giving you value for. That is a quality product in my book. So really, that's all I got to say about it. This whole thing folds up into a wonderful little case right here. You can see that it just slides right on in just like this. Plenty of space for it to breathe in there. And then this tripod slides up in the top right there, just like that. And that's about it. There's plenty of space up here in this zipper package to include your own charging cable and of course your lens with all of the fill lights rather the fill light with all of the different lenses. And of course, unlike me, you should zip it up before you close it so you don't open it up and have all your things fall out at the beginning of your review video. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I had a great time messing around with this product. I had a fantastic time learning about all of its quality features. This is the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 combo. I can't get enough of it. I'm going to be using this thing all the time. Summer's coming up, and I can't wait to get a use out of it. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and take care.